My name is Dr. Keely Boyle with UBMD Orthopaedics and Sports Medicine. I am a hip and knee replacement surgeon, and UBMD Orthopaedics and Sports Medicine, in partnership with Niagara Falls Memorial Medical Center, are launching a hip and knee replacement program. How effective are total hip and knee replacements at treating arthritis? Treatment of arthritis starts without surgery most of the time. Over-the-counter pain relievers and anti-inflammatory medications, they may help. Using a cane or avoiding doing things that hurt may give relief as well. But you may develop pain that can only be treated with surgery, as in a hip or knee replacement. At first, you may only have pain or stiffness when walking a long way. As the arthritis gets worse in your hip or your knee, routines like taking short walks, putting on your shoes or your socks, or getting dressed may cause pain. Arthritis of the hip and knee can affect your life in many ways, including how you feel psychologically, as well as many other things. Another question that people have is, are there any other types of surgeries that can help replace my joint or do something for my joint without having to actually replace it with parts when we use metal and plastic to replace joints? And the question we get often is, can you make my cartilage regrow in my joint? And the answer to that right now is no. The good news is hip and knee replacements are very successful surgeries. It takes time to heal afterwards, but many people return to active, pain-free life very quickly. Less pain usually leads to better walking ability and improvement in your overall health. We recommend giving Dr. Nadzo and myself a call through UBMD Orthopaedics and Sports Medicine and Niagara Falls Memorial Medical Center to make an appointment with us to discuss your hip or knee pain and how we can help. And we can help not only with surgery, but we can help while you're trying to decide whether a joint replacement is right for you and your loved ones who will be helping taking care of you after the surgery. Our number is 716-204-3200.